Welcome back. And on this episode we're setting up the bass boat for trolling. And this is what I have here. The ideal is I'm going to do a 3-pole setup, and picture this being the back of the boat here. But we're going to have one T out with a 45 so the rod sticks over the side. Same with that side, then we're going to have a T in the middle with the rod straight up. I got two 10-footer, 10-foot pieces, obviously the rubber cement and the primer. And yeah, we're going to give this a shot. I don't really have the poles that you typically use that counts the line and whatnot, so we're just going to give this a shot. See if we could troll for bass at Blues Lake, and yeah, let's see how it plays out. Alright, so I got it mocked up here, and I'll show you what I think is going to work. So if we look at the boat here, I got the PVC pipe here. This is all schedule 40 1.5 inch. Yeah, schedule 40 1.5 inch pipe. So I got the center here. I'm not making them too tall, just so it's not too much stress on the joints. That's a foot high. Then I got just a small section and 40 out to hold pole on each side. So this will just be a 3-pole setup, and if it works, I could always cut some more in, but I think if I go any more than 3, that I'll have issues with the lines getting tangled up, since I don't have any of those I don't know what you call them. They're almost like deflectors where you could kind of set how far the line will pull away from the boat. I'm not going to try that the first run, just to see how this kind of plays out, and if we start catching fish, then I'll get more serious about it. But that's where I'm at now. I'm going to go ahead and take it back apart and glue it together. I might tie these corners here. I can't really go anywhere to begin with, but I might go ahead and make something here like a bracket just to hold these end pieces. All right, well, that should be it. The next time you see this out, we'll be giving it a shot. All right, thank you.